Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you are fine. I am going to discuss mathematics class first year, unit number 1, complex number review exercise number 1, question number 7 and 8. That is most important for paper's point of view. So let's start question number 7. Let Z1 is equal to 2 minus iota, Z2 is equal to minus 2 plus iota. Find part number 1, real of Z1, Z2 divided by conjugate of Z1. Part number 2, imaginary of 1 divided by Z1 conjugate of Z1. Question number 8, that is determine whether 1 plus iota a solution of its 2 divided by z plus z is equal to 2 or not. So let's start part number 1, question number 7, that is z1 is equal to 2 minus iota, z2 is equal to minus 2 plus iota. So next part number 1, that is z1 z2, so multiply z1 and z2. z1 z2 is equal to 2 minus iota into minus 2 plus iota, so which is equal to 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4 plus 2 multiply iota is equal to 2 iota. Minus 1 multiply minus iota multiply minus 2 is equal to plus 2 iota. So minus 1 minus iota minus plus minus iota dot iota iota square, which is equal to minus 4 plus 2 iota plus 2 iota is equal to 4 iota. Minus iota square is equal to minus 1. So next minus 4 plus 4 iota minus multiply minus plus 1, so which is equal to minus 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4 iota. So next z1 z2 is equal to minus 3 plus 4 iota. So next denominator conjugate of z1, so conjugate z1 is equal to 2 minus iota, taking conjugate on both sides. So z1 conjugate is equal to 2 minus iota whole conjugate, which is equal to 2 plus iota. So z1 conjugate is equal to 2 plus iota. Next part number 1, that is real of z. So next z1 z2 divided by z1 conjugate is equal to value of z1 z2 is equal to minus 3 plus 4 iota divided by z1 conjugate is equal to 2 plus iota. So minus 3 plus 4 iota divided by 2 plus iota, by rationalization 2 minus iota, 2 minus iota. So next minus 3 multiply 2 minus 6 minus multiply minus plus 3 iota plus 4 iota multiply 2 is equal to 4 2 times 8 iota plus 8 iota plus 4 iota into minus iota is equal to minus 4 iota dot iota square divided by 2 plus iota. 2 minus iota can also be written in the form of 2 square minus iota square. So next minus 6 plus 11 iota, 3 iota plus 8 plus 11 iota minus 4 iota square is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 square is equal to 4 minus iota square is equal to minus 1. So next, minus 6 plus 11 iota Z1. So next, Z1 Z2 divided by Z1 conjugate is equal to minus 6 plus 11 iota minus multiply minus plus 4 divided by 4 minus multiply minus plus 4 plus 1. So Z1 Z2 divided by Z1 conjugate is equal to minus 6 plus 4 is equal to minus 2 plus 11 iota divided by 4 plus 1 5. So next, Z1 Z2 divided by Z1 conjugate is equal to minus 2 divided by 5 plus 11 divided by 5 iota. Part number 1, real of. So real of Z1 Z2 divided by Z1 conjugate is equal to, real part is minus 2 divide 5, which is the required solution. Next, part number 2, that is imaginary of 1 divided by Z1 conjugate. So imaginary of Z1 is equal to 2 minus iota. So Z1 conjugate is equal to 2 plus iota. So denominator term Z1 conjugate. So Z1 conjugate of Z1 is equal to 2 minus iota into 2 plus iota. So which is equal to 2 minus iota into 2 plus iota can also be written in the form of 2 square minus iota square. So which is equal to 2 square is equal to 4 minus iota square is equal to minus 1, which is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So Z1 conjugate is equal to 5. So next, 1 divided by Z1 conjugate of Z1 is equal to 1 divide Z1 conjugate of Z1 is equal to 5. So 5 plus 0 iota. So imaginary of 1 divided Z1 conjugate is equal to 0. So 0 is imaginary and 1 divide 5 is real part. So part number 2, that is check that imaginary part. So imaginary part equal to 0. Hence proved. Next, question number 8. Question number 8, that is determine whether 1 plus iota a solution of its 2 divide z plus g is equal to 2 or not. So first write equation, that is 2 divide z plus g is equal to 2. So next multiply z in both terms. So 2 plus z multiply z square is equal to 2z. Next z square minus 2z plus 2 equal to 0. So next z square minus 2z plus 1 equal to 0. So plus 1 is equal to 2, can also be written this form. So z square minus 2z plus 1 is the square of z minus 1 whole square plus 1 equal to 0. So z minus 1 whole square minus into minus 1 equal to 0. So next z minus 1 whole square equal to minus 1 is equal to iota square. So minus 1 is equal to iota square. Z minus 1 whole square minus iota square. So z minus 1 minus iota into z minus 1 plus iota equal to 0. So next z minus 1 minus iota equal to 0 and z minus 1 plus iota equal to 0. So taking common z minus common into 1 plus iota equal to 0. So next z minus common into 1 minus iota. So plus minus iota equal to z. So z is equal to 1 plus iota. Z is equal to 1 plus iota. Yes, it is a solution. Next, z is equal to 1 minus iota, not solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.